So I know it's been a while since we've had our, since I've done the last video, but a lot has changed in the last year. I want to kind of give an update on what's going to go on with the channel, kind of what new stuff is going to be. We've pretty much gotten out of the riding business. We've sold the side-by-sides, four-wheelers, stuff like that, and we've got new hobbies, which is fishing, boating, stuff like that. And if you can't tell, we have actually moved to Florida, which huge move. So loving it so far. I've actually only been here about a month and a half, 2 months, so we're still getting settled in and learning a lot of the areas and stuff like that. But going forward, the content of the channel is going to be more fishing. It's going to be boating, kind of exploring this area. Southwest Florida is known for like a boating haven. I mean, you can go everywhere. The water in certain areas is absolutely beautiful. It's just tons and tons of waterways, tons and tons of fishing, and then you go offshore, stuff like that too. So, and kind of do-it-yourself projects around the house. Maybe do some restaurant by boat reviews and kind of tell you how to get there and the experience getting there and stuff like that. So that's kind of what the channel is going to be about now. Or the people that have subscribed, thank you so much. And if you're interested in this kind of stuff, and maybe you have the move, maybe you're thinking about moving to Florida, or just interested. We're in Southwest Florida, so we're in kind of that Boca Grande, Port Charlotte, Inglewood, Cape Coral, Fort Myers area. So we're going to hit all kinds of places: sandbars, restaurants, all that good stuff. So if that interests you, definitely subscribe to our channel, and we look forward to videos coming, and we'll see you next time.